morning students. So as we were reading chapter number 1 in English grammar using a dictionary. So how we use dictionary? Okay. So in this chapter we will know some other words which is related from this chapter and which we have to know what is the meaning of these words. So here is written some other words, so you have to must know about these words. What are that? Okay, so now first one is dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary is an important book and very useful to students. It is also useful to other person. Why? Because whenever we have to find meaning of particular word, we can search in dictionary. Dictionary gives extra information about word. Okay, so let me see what is dictionary. What is the definition of dictionary? A dictionary is a book or an electronic resource that lists the word of a language in a alphabetical order. So dictionary is an electronic resource also. Why? Because here is the list of words which is arranged in alphabetical order and we can find meaning of a particular word. Let me see some other words which is related to this chapter. Okay, so now next is thesaurus. What is thesaurus? What do you mean by thesaurus? I hope you all are familiar with opposite word and similar word. Okay, so thesaurus is a book that lists antonyms and synonyms. Thesaurus is also a book where is listed synonyms and antonyms, and you can find out easily synonyms of any words and antonyms of any words. Okay, now periodical. What is periodical? Periodical, it means when a book published weekly or monthly, that is called periodical. Let me see what is periodical. A magazine published at regular intervals such as monthly or weekly, that is called periodical. Okay, so monthly और weekly published होने वाले जो regular book होते हैं उन्हें periodical कहते हैं. Okay, now encyclopedia. What is encyclopedia? You must listen encyclopedia, but you don't know what is encyclopedia. So encyclopedia usually part of an alphabetically arranged set of books. This gives in-depth information. What is encyclopedia? So encyclopedia is usually a part of an alphabetical arranged set of books. Okay, alphabetical arranged set of books that gives depth information about the word. That is called encyclopedia. Now, guide words. What is guide words? Guide words very important in dictionary. Why? Because it helps us to find out the meaning very easily in dictionary. Let me see. Guide words are the words printed at the top of each page in a dictionary. So whenever you have find out any meaning, any particular meaning of a word, so you have seen on top of the page some words are given. That is called guide words. For example, imagine that the guide word on a left hand page is pedestal. Okay, imagine that the guide word on a left hand page is pedestal and the guide word on the facing page is penalty. What is the meaning of? It means that all the words that are alphabetically between pedestal and penalty will be found on these two pages. Some of these words are peevish, pelican, pelt or penalize. Okay students, so it means guide words help us to find out alphabetical word. Find out the meaning of alphabetical. Okay. So that is called guide words. These indicates the first or last word on a page. Okay. So guide word indicates what is given on the first or what is given on the last on that page. We use guide words in our understanding of alphabetical order to find words in a dictionary. So whenever we find out the meaning of a particular word in dictionary and we have understanding alphabetical order, so we can take help of guide words to find out the meaning. Okay students, now let me see. Come on page number 11. A dictionary also gives other information. What other information dictionary give us? What other information? Now, a dictionary help us to find other information about a word. We use a dictionary to find different meanings of the same word. Sometimes you have seen in dictionary same word is given here and the meaning was also different. Okay. So dictionary tell us where you can use, how can you use same words. Okay. Now the plural of the word and what part of speech it is. It also gives us information about the word, what is the plural and what part of speech it is. Some dictionaries have additional information. What additional information given in dictionary? In some dictionary you can find their synonyms, antonyms, and you can also find the using of that word in a sentence. Okay students, so in some dictionary there is given additional information. How can you use that word in a sentence? How can you frame sentence with that word? Or you can also find the synonym and antonyms of that particular word also. So that was the importance of dictionary students. I hope must understood what is dictionary, what is thesaurus, what is given in thesaurus, what is periodical, what is encyclopedia and what is guide words. Okay students, so we will do our exercise which is given on page number 10 and 11.